on financial reports, supporting reports, print reports, annexure numbering, etc. Financial ratios and financial analysis are being dealt with separately at quite in depth and discussed at its relevant topic. Financial reports. Cost of project and means of finance. A. As usual with existing proposed and total column. B. As with already incurred and to be incurred criteria for cost of project, and as already raised and to be raised criteria for means of finance. As phased cost of project and phased means of finance as spread over next 5 years. Funding status of cost of project, ensuring your term loan do not exceed its assessed coverage. Stake and holding status as among different partners, promoters group. Detailed reporting on calculation of P&P expenses and IDC. Detailed reporting on workings of provision for contingencies. Profitability and net cash accruals. As actuals moving into the projection 3 plus 10 year format. Assessment of working capital 1. As actuals moving into projection 3 plus 3 year format with holding periodicity structure of current assets, current liabilities as a 3-year actual moving into 3-year projections. Assessment of working capital 2 with holding periodicity structure of current assets, current liabilities for all projected years. Sources and disposition of funds. Cash flow statement as individually listing all borrowing category one by one as to funds raised and its repayment over the years. Balance sheet summarized as actuals moving into projections as individually listing all borrowing category one by one as to outstanding pending year to year. Balance sheet detail as actuals moving into projections, further detailing out individually for all current assets and current liabilities and all non-current assets and non-current liabilities. Supporting reports. These are all supporting reports. Quantitative detailing of each of the product and its workings. All reports on sales realization and income elements. All reports on material cost and expenses. All reports on utilities and overheads. Depreciation workings for profitability purposes and as per IT Act. Interest and repayment for each of the term loan, equated loan, etc. And then report on tax on profits. Important. Every figure will be fully explained in supporting reports, and that how it is arrived at through which math function as plus, minus, multiple or divide. View, edit, print reports. You just sit back and get all 30 to 35 reports print at a single click, and all adjustment as to font and formatting will be carried out by the package depending upon the number of working years. Annexure numbering. At annexure renumbering, you may anytime renumber your annexure as required. At all time, in the main screen itself, it is showing our contact details there too, and it is very handy and always available. Thanks and regards from Anandi Softwares.